Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a super easy surimi salad, which is perfect for hot summer days. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. So we're going to start by shredding the surimi. You can shred it with your hands or with a fork, or you can also finely chop it if you want to with a knife. So first I shredded it with my hands, and then I'm also going to chop it with a knife. Then after that I'm going to transfer it to a bowl, and then I'm going to set it aside until I'm ready to use it. So we're going to finely chop the serrano peppers, and remember to always wash and disinfect your vegetables before using them. So we're going to remove the stems from the peppers, and then we will also remove the seeds and the veins from the inside of the pepper. Then we're going to chop the peppers very finely. I only added 2 serrano peppers, but you can add more or less depending on how spicy you like your food. And remember, serrano peppers are usually spicier than jalapeno peppers, so feel free to use jalapeno peppers if you want to. You can replace the serrano peppers with the jalapeno peppers if you want to. So after you chop the peppers, then place them in the same bowl with the surimi. Now we will also shred the cabbage. Shred it really finely, and then place it in a strainer and rinse it once again with very cold water and set it aside to drain. Now we're going to work with the mango, and we will also cut it into very small pieces, into small cubes, and then once you're ready, all the ingredients are ready to go into the salad. Now over here I have my bowl with the surimi together with the serrano peppers. Into this bowl I will also add in the diced mango and the shredded cabbage. Then season this with the mayonnaise and the sour cream, and then also add salt and pepper to taste. Stir until well combined, and then taste the flavor. And if the salad is too dry, feel free to add more mayonnaise or sour cream to taste. And then after that you can also add more salt and pepper if needed. Give it another stir, and then once you're happy with the flavor, then the salad is ready. You can serve it with tostadas or crackers, and that's about it. I'm going to top it with a little bit of chipotle salsa, and that is just perfection. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll show you how to make this chipotle salsa that you're seeing in this video. I hope you like it. Enjoy!